Hello, let's get Rakhi. Starting off with my eyebrows, I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Gel. Eyebrows will stay in place all day, like all day for 3 days at least. I'm using the Etude Rose Lilac. Wearing the tint under the lipstick helps in the longevity of lipstick. Looks so pretty, right? Using the Mars Gripping Prime, gently dab it in, don't rub it. I color corrected just a bit with the Huda Beauty color corrector. And now I'm using the House of Makeup concealer in the shade LM01. Always look up while blending your concealer. Now using House of Makeup skin tone. It's my favorite skin tone by the way. I just love the coverage, the finish and everything about this product. Techniques 213 face brush. So soft.
Wow, this is blending my whole base so good. Like, look at the finish. In just one swipe, I'm done with the whole base. I can't believe I did my whole base in under a minute. For blush, I'm using the new Mars blush in the shade Twilight. It's such a beautiful peachy pinky shade. It has a very nice dewy finish. I absolutely love the finish of this blush. Using my favorite Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom powder. Taking some on the back of my hand for even application. Now gently tapping it on your skin. It gives you that flawless filter look. Gently tap the powder, don't rub it in. You see the difference? This powder is magical truly. Now taking color bar, just smoky kajal in just brown and lining both my upper and lower waterline and smudging it with the applicator. Brown kajal and brown eyes really enhances the brown of your eyes. Curling my eyelashes using another favorite superfan mascara by Smashbox. I absolutely love this mascara for daily use. It's so good and also very easy to remove. Now for the lips, I'm going with ELF Dark Cacao Lip Liner followed by Roman Blur Fudge Tint and Inside Lipstick. Finishing off with Charlotte Tilbury Ecstasy Blush, and I'm done with the look.